So what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and come check out my content because we're on the road to 1K. But guys, the parts for the truck finally came in like a couple of days ago. I was not able to record. Well, I was trying to record and work it at the same time, but I got so frustrated because, oh my god, I don't know, like it took me 2 days because the first day I low-key gave up, but then the second one I was like, nah, I gotta finish this today, and I was able to finish it. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me show you. Check it out. I put on the fog lights finally. I was able to get the lid, or the valence as you call it, and the fog lights. I had to get them all separately, but the low-key, the thing I don't like is how this one, both of them, you see how they're all crooked? Unless I put them on or bolted them on wrong. If somebody can let me know in the comments so I can adjust them, please let me know, because low-key, high-key, this is bothering me. Like, no cap, it's bothering me so much. I was missing a couple of bolts because some of them were all like rusty, and I didn't want to reuse them because they're all nasty. Plus, I tried using them again, and I don't know, they didn't want to fit on right. I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get some new ones, because low-key I had to do it the Quache way. I had to put zip ties, I think, for 2 of the little holes. Oh, and for the fog lights, because you know how they use 2 bolts on each little corner. Well, on one I bolted them on, but for the other one I had to put on the zip tie. So yeah, that's ghetto as hell. But damn it, guys, taking off the valence was hard as hell for me, because I didn't have no specific like special tools or whatever. It took me 2 full days, so yeah, that was a real struggle. But I mean, it was worth it, you know, because I was able to do the fog light conversion as I wanted for the longest. But like I said, if anybody knows how I can adjust them fog lights because they're all crooked, just let me know in the comments. I appreciate it a lot, because damn, it just bothered me so much. See, I also got a little gap right there because the bolt that goes on top of the fog light metal or the mounting, I actually put it on top, and now that big gap is right there. So I gotta take that part of the lid, and I don't even know, I gotta take all the bolts and I gotta fix the mounting on that. That's gonna be annoying as hell, but oh well. But I mean, better than nothing, you know. Damn it, bye. And I gotta wire them still. See, you can see one of my zip ties right there. Get it as hell, but oh well for now. Damn it, nice. But from far, it doesn't look bad. But once you get up close, it look kind of cool. I mean, they do look crooked as hell, but like I said, I'm have to fix them up again, and I have to wire them up. But for now, I'm gonna just do it for the looks for now, until I get some more cash, or whenever I have more time. I'm gonna buy all the wires, I'm gonna wire it up, and they'll turn on. Look clean as hell. And no cap, this is actually the first little mod that I've done to the truck since when? Since January, I think, when I bought the rims. I was a while back, because I was trying to like calm it down a bit so I can like save up a little bit of cash to buy some parts, this and that. But I mean, finally, after months, boom, finally. Look how dirty this freaking bird doodle right here too. Damn, these birds don't chill out. She's dirty as hell right now. But I mean, it's supposed to rain like I think tomorrow, these couple of days. I don't know, it was cloudier earlier, but I don't even know what happened. But I'm gonna give it a good wash in a couple of days, so it should look shiny as hell, you know. Like, but let me know, guys, what else should I do to the truck? Because finally I got the fog lights out of the way, because I've been, like I said, I've been wanting to do that for the longest, and I finally got it out the way. But now I don't know what else to do to the truck, because I mean, low-key I already did everything I wanted to it for now. But the sunroof is the last thing, or the next like mod that I want to do, but that's not gonna be for a while, because I don't know, sunroof is low-key kind of a big deal for me, because I don't know, I low-key don't want to cut like a big hole on the truck on top. But I mean, it's gonna be worth it, but at the same time I'm scared that they might mess it up or something. So I don't know, I'm still about it. But yeah, guys, she's coming out clean. The OG right here. That is gonna be like Static Lee with the OG. How he started with the white truck and I'm starting with the pink truck. But yeah, guys, I don't know, like I'm proud as hell how far I came with this truck. 2 years and boom, clean as hell, finally. I'm not being cocky, I'm just really proud of you. And one more thing, guys, I was actually creating a design for, I guess, like one of the shirts. Well, for now this is just gonna be a shirt just for me, because I don't know, I low-key want a shirt of my truck, you know, just like wearing it around and stuff like that. But if y'all like the design, I can make some more shirts or whatnot, but I'll make sure to put in the picture of the design right here real quick. But yeah guys, that's gonna be for this video. Sorry this video wasn't long. Like I said, I wasn't able, I tried recording like when I was working on the truck, but I got really frustrated and I forgot about recording everything. I just wanted to get everything out the way. But for the next, well, when I fix the fog lights, I'll make sure to record it this time, because I still gotta adjust the fog lights. I gotta fix the screws and like take out the zip ties and stuff like that, you know, so I'll make sure to record that too. But yeah guys, stay safe out there, because oh my god, you know how this virus keeps getting worse and worse, but people don't want to listen. And for those that say I don't got my mask, I got it right here, but I have a whole mess. I don't want to show it, but yes, I do got my mask. But yeah guys, stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one, so peace.